Hi everyone, welcome back to David at Go To Hobbies. Right, this is an unusual hobby. I suffer, well, it's not a hobby really, it's a problem I've got, and is it because I talk too much? I know yawning is contagious, and you'll probably end up yawning by watching me yawn. I don't know. Is it because I'm talking and not taking enough air in? Please, someone tell me. I don't know. Because at the end of the day, I'm making a video and there we go again. It's not something I want to do, it's something that happens naturally. And I just think to myself, why am I yawning so much? It's reasonably warm in the room. I've got a cup of tea next to me. I'm not really tired. It's 17 minutes past 2 in the afternoon. So is it? Oh, excuse me. Is it um afternoon siesta time? I don't know. But I got yawnitis. I have. I call it yawnitis. What I like about my YouTube channel, I know we're going off subject again. What I like about my YouTube channel is I make videos about anything and everything. Normally, you watch a YouTube channel, it's all about this, it's all about that. But when do you ever see someone talking about things they like, things they do, problems they have? Yeah, you might find it sometimes a bit boring, but I'm not one of these that's going to be telling you a load of lies. I'm not one of those persons that's going to make it is something it's not. Gloss it all up, cream cake it, I like talking. I tell you, this is, I, how do I describe this? I I like a bloke that used to be alive, and his name was Jack Hargreaves. He used to do a program called Out of Town, where he'd sit down, like me talking to you now, and talk about things. Yeah? And he would cover anything from fishing, rivers, lakes, plants, you name it, he'd cover it. And it's just what I sort of picture myself doing, where I talk about different things, anything and everything. But this is the trouble with our society, isn't it? It's so focused on where the next penny's coming from, or where the next job is, or where the next this is, or where the next that is. I don't. I like to talk about whatever takes me interest. Today, tomorrow, different subjects. But when you like making videos and you like telling people about different things and trying to help people, that's the difference. Because sometimes all it takes is that little bit of help, that little bit of push in the right direction. No one's better than me, and I'm no better than anyone else. Work that one out. I don't pretend to be better than anyone else, but I don't think let's rephrase that. I'm David, and David does care about everything and anything. I've done research into ufology. I've done research into the paranormal, ghosts. I've researched religion. I've researched many subjects. I've researched these triangle UFOs and stuff like that. Found out a lot of information, and now I'm researching MH370 and what my theories are behind that, what's really happened to MH370. So if you want to find out, you best watch my videos on it. What happened to MH370 and stuff like that. But because I've done 30 odd years of research into paranormal, I've got a good background on how to start doing research. It's interesting to see what other people say and how they conduct their research. But you always get that sort of piece of information. What if? Why was it this? Why was it that? And so on. I like to basically turn every stone over, try to see what's underneath. Try to ask the questions that no one else is asking, which sometimes is always the same question, but at least I tried to find out what was going on. I used to do photographic analysis of an image and work out what was the purpose of it, what's it portraying, and so on and so forth. So there's a whole vast of different things. And I thought about making a video or playlist about fishing. So I think I might do that in the near future. Make a video about fishing and going fishing again. Because I'm not a fisherman by heart, but I like the hobby. And it's something I'd like to do, get back into perhaps. I used to play a lot of computer games, but I got to a point. I don't know if it's me. As you get older, either you lose interest in something or it becomes boring or whatever. But I keep losing at games and I don't want to lose. I like winning. And I try all different tactics. If something doesn't win, you try it a different way. Yeah? It's just part and parcel of having fun, isn't it? Life would be very boring if we all done the same thing, wouldn't it? Yeah. Here's another one for you. If you notice this plant up here, it's called a money tree. I made a video about the money tree. The name is in, the secret is in the name. Money tree gives me money. You like that one? It's a good laugh. Right, that's enough waffling for today. I'm going to find something to do. I don't know what yet, but I might just have some biscuits and a cup of tea and make some more videos. So stay tuned. If there's a video or a subject that interests you, let me know and I'll do something about it for you. I'll make a video on it and tell you what I know and stuff like that. So you never know, you might pick up some really good tips. Yeah? Okay. Well, enjoy the rest of the day and we'll see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.